What is the right glass? For Aguila Auto Glass, it is the correct glass installed the right way. Because glass matters, and that has been the philosophy behind Alagang Aguila for nearly 70 years. Aguila Auto Glass was founded in 1952 by husband and wife, attorney Lauro and Maria Aguila, who opened their first store in Avenida Rizal in Manila with a desire to provide quality glass at the right price. Today, Aguila Auto Glass is run by their grandchildren who have spread the wings of the business to over 25 branches across Luzon. Like the eagle that cares for its young, Aguila Auto Glass team members start with guiding customers through the proper glass selection for their application. Our highly trained and well-experienced service providers then carefully install this using the proper tools and proprietary non-corrosive PU sealants to make sure you get the proper service you deserve.
The correct glass matters because we want customers to be safe and secure when they drive out. For windshields, we only use the laminated glass, while tempered goes only into the windows and back glass.
The laminated glass has a clear finish and is composed of 2 layers, fused with a layer of vinyl, allowing the glass to stay intact when broken, and it will not shatter into small pieces. Tempered glass, on the other hand, has a rainbow-like pattern. It breaks into small round pieces, or in local terms, nagmamais-mais. This makes it unsafe to use for windshields.
Alagang Aguila is our promise to take care of our team members, partners, and customers as did our founders when they opened their store in 1952. It also stands for the company's desire to provide quality product that has passed ICC standards and innovative services to customers, making sure that your glass will keep you safe. As a team member of 32 years, I feel blessed and happy to be part of AAG family. I have experienced Alagang Aguila throughout my journey as a cashier, branch manager, product manager, and now as a division manager for marketing. Our CSR programs with Bahay Maria, Manila Zoo, Philippine General Hospital, and Philippine Eagle Foundation have taught us the value of giving back. And also, we donated window glass panes for almost 500 houses in Gawad Kalinga Foundation. Ang sarap ng feeling na imagine na experience mo lahat ng mga ganitong projects sa Aguila Auto Glass. Through my work experiences, the supportive Aguila family, and their charitable work, I not only become a more competent employee, but I am also encouraged to be a good member of society. That is our commitment to our customers and partners that we will keep improving and keep getting better at serving. Yan ang Alagang Aguila.